Ohayou gozaimasu. Today I am at world's famous Ferg's house. Today we're gonna do ride along in Ferg's car. It's 600 horsepower R33 and I'm really excited. First though, let's check out the wheels on the Jeep. Meow 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 meow. I wonder, does it hurt to pull this hard?
When the dust starts to settle and I read out all the petals, I know that I'm really on your mind. When I start thinking crazy and I don't think you can save me, I know.
Aside from the carbon fiber accent, this car has retained its smooth factory appearance and retro Nissan interior. This car features a Haltex IC7 display to monitor the legendary stroker and a Momo Mod A steering wheel to keep it all on track. Under the hood, you will see no flashy colors or high-polished charge pipes. This car has been kept low-key and classy with wrinkled black valve covers and brushed stainless accessories. The Precision 6266 Turbo breathes fire into a full 3-inch toe-made titanium Extreme TI system.
That is, look on the other side of the pillar.
Okay.
Hey, somebody fucking tell me.
I know.
Got me making loops.
Finally. Damn it, I didn't see that.
Alright, see Garrett's car. Nah, you, bro.
This R33 was hand-built by Nori-san of Okinawa Speed Factory and converted to a single turbo, which is less complex than the factory twin setup and is capable of more power without sacrificing much response when properly sized. The block is the original RB28 that has been stroked to 2800 cc's using an HKS Stroker Kit. That includes a billet crankshaft, forged rods, and 87mm aluminum pistons, bringing the compression up to about 9:1. The head received the full N.E.V.R treatment in the form of their high-response kit, which includes upgraded 1mm over intake and exhaust valves, porting for better flow and stronger springs, and supporting hardware to withstand the toe-made Type B pong cam. This RB28 spools a Precision 6266 and feeds it E85 or 91 octane, with the full radium fuel system catalog, except for the surge tank for now. ID 1700 paired with the Haltech 2500 Elite ECU makes the idle smooth and the delivery consistent. All 697 UMA make their way to all four wheels via an OS Gaiken cross-mission treated gear set and reinforced input shaft and counter shaft. The only things keeping this kaiju gentle on the roads are the rubber and the OG Blitz ZZR coilovers from the bright lights of Osaka. These 18 by 10.5 Kansai-roku wheels wrapped in 305mm Toyo R888s push the limit of fitment and provide the perfect amount of grip with just enough poke, making this one bad bitch.
Oh, baby, I just want you and nobody else by my side.